The neon trees are here today. They'll sing the song Animal, so get ready for a rockin' show.
Thank you very much. I'm so glad to see all of you are here today for my show. You can sing along if you know the words. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go again. I kinda wanna be more than friends, so take it easy on me. I'm afraid you're never satisfied. Here we go again. You sit back down and you're just a cannibal, and I'm afraid I won't get out.
So handsome.
No, I won't sleep tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight. I'm so glad to be out there. Those people, such a job, man. Come on, that's so exhausting. I think I need some Starbucks. Starbucks, where's my local Starbucks? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, great.
Oh, Mr. Trees! Mr. Trees! Oh, Mr. Trees! Oh, Mr. Trees! I've been your #1 fan since I saw you at science camp. Please, Mr. Trees, could I please have your autograph?
I'm sorry, my agent says not to sign anything. I could get like $100 for like my autographs on the internet. My photos sell for $1,000. I'm sorry, you know, you just, not now, okay?
Hello, I am paparazzi. After I take the photo, I will take your picture.
Come on, guys, I'm just trying to get to Starbucks. No pictures, please. Talk to my agent if you want pictures. Come on.
One picture?
No, absolutely not. You guys are like parasites. You're sucking the heart out of me here. Come on.
Only 1 million pictures?
Absolutely not. Talk to my agent. That's the only way I deal with it. You guys, you're sucking the life out of me. Please, no more. I'm calling 911. I'm calling the police, okay? I gotta put up with this. Word. Starbucks, come on. Fast service, what's the deal? Can I get some help here, please? Yeah, thank you, finally. I'd like the caramel macchiato with like 2 teaspoons of milk and just a little bit of sugar, maybe just put like half a teaspoon of sugar, and, you know, be a little bit heavy on the macchiato. And I want goat's cream, not, you know, that kind of milky cheap stuff you guys use. Please, on the double. I don't care how much it costs. Just hurry it up. I'm in a rush, man. I gotta go. I'm flying to Japan over here. You know, I got all kinds of fans all over the world, you know? What's the deal? Hurry up. I'm on a schedule. Did you even start it yet? Finally. My gosh, what was that, like 2 minutes or something? Keep the change. Things I gotta deal with here. Don't they know I'm a star? What's up with this rain? Man, I hate the rain. Oh, a deer. My life flashed before my eyes. I see now the importance importance of nature. And I almost took that deer's life. I am a changed person. My goodness, I need to go find that girl, that one that approached me. I need to give her autograph. Back to my car. Where's my car? There's her home.
Mr. Trees.
The one and only.
How are you?
I am here. I am so sorry. I just wanted to apologize for you. I've seen the error of my ways. I was so selfish before, but now I see it's the fans that support me, that give me the livelihood that and the ability to share all of my heart's music. Would you accept an apology and an autograph?
Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you.
Okay. Who to?
Sue Fan.
To Sue Fan, my greatest fan. Thank you for supporting me all these years. Sincerely, Mr. Trees.
Thank you, Mr. Trees. You're a wonderful person.
Well, thank you. I'm trying. Maybe I can be a better person in fact. But thank you. That made my heart feel so good to be unselfish. Get back to my thoughts.
Paparazzi! Photo! I have also come to take your picture. Say cheese!
Absolutely.
Really? Really?
Cheese.
Click, click, click.
Take all you want.
1 million more. Click, 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 click. Nice pose.
Thank you. I try my best for my wonderful paparazzi friends who publish me so often and give me such good exposure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a wonderful day, too. Okay, and wrap. Thank you very much for your attention. We have and we get to bow because we hardly ever get to bow. Good skit, bad skit. Is there anything that you saw that you could give us some advice on, or if you want to make a comment about the way that we, are we short on time?
We have 10 minutes. Okay.
We have 10 minutes.
3
If
comments.
we have time afterwards, then you can go ahead with 3 comments. Okay, yes. It was too cheesy. We love that. Thank you. Is there any other comments or questions? Yes.
Awesome.
Ah, I absolutely agree with you. Give him a hand. Okay, one more before we start handing out the mail. Yes. Absolutely. Let's give Mrs. Bloom a hand. I was very impressed. We were glad to be able to showcase the talents of our wonderful actors over here. So a side of them came out that I had never seen before. So I was very proud to see that.